What's up, guys? I'm going to teach you how to play Breakdown, a super easy power chord song, just to kind of get you started with that first electric guitar, get some distortion going, and you're going to be playing this song in no time. Let's go into it. So, I'm going to teach you how to play the intro. The intro is really easy. I'd like you to play a power chord with me. A power chord is two notes. We're going to place our first finger on the E string, 5th fret. That's our root note of A. We'll place our third or fourth finger, whatever you want, on the A string, 7th fret. Ideally, I'd like you just to get playing those two, just to start. Eventually, I want you to start to try to mute the rest of them, like that. If they're open now, like that, it's okay. Just avoid hitting them for now if you're a complete beginner. It's all good. Just start here. So, what I want you to do is I want you to simply just get used to playing that power chord, okay? And now, once you get comfortable with that, we're going to start moving it around. This is an A power chord. It's on the 5th fret. In the song, in the intro, it goes from that A and it goes down 2 frets to the G power chord. It's the same exact shape, just moving it back and forth. That is the intro. You can hear it, right? So it's A, G, A, G, A, G. Listen to the track for how many times. I'm not going to go through everything. I kind of want to make this a short video. The intro does the same exact thing. Right? Kind of nice, right? 2 parts for the price of 1. At the end of each verse, we're going to go down to the 1st fret, E string, and 3rd fret, A string. So just move that shape down from the G, 2 more frets. We're going to play that. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to count out 2 measures, and then you're back. Right? At the end of that second verse, we're going to do this. There's another G at the end. Oh, I'm sorry, another F at the end. Right? It goes. And then it goes. You're going to count 2 measures again. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we've got our chorus, which is built on the same exact kind of thing, all the same chords, but just kind of in a different order. So in the chorus, we're going to go A, G, F, G, A, G, F, G. Last one, A, G, F, G. That's a total of 3 times. On the 4th time, he goes A, G, F, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're back to your intro. And the whole process repeats. You'll have another verse, another chorus, and that's the entire song. If you want to get more into the lead part, feel free to contact me, and we can go one-on-one lessons. If you want the tab for that, a little bit more detail on how to do that, you can visit my Patreon page. And if it's completely all confusing, you can grab my product, How to Play Any Song, in the description below. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in the next video.